Hi, this is Mikelat from Building Aspirations, and I am going to show you a five-figure email marketing campaign, step by step, right here, right now, right in front of you, with ROI benchmark proof. Don't go away. This is an email marketing message that I created with the Constant Contact email software, and it's specifically about marketing funnels and how to use email marketing to build them, to load them. Here's what the message actually looks like. Now, first of all, in the title, I emphasize that I'm going to teach people how to load their email marketing funnel in 4 minutes. And I talk about the problem. First of all, it's well branded here at the top. That's me building aspirations. There's my picture. Now, when you design a highly functioning, cost-effective email marketing message, you need to do it backwards. You need to go from intent. What do you want to have happen? Now, one of the things I sell is high-value coaching and consulting services. So I'll always ask for an appointment, a phone consultation. I do that at the beginning, and I also do that at the end here with a big old, really obvious orange button that's a call to action. So you need to figure out the strategy related to how are you going to make revenue from this. Now, when I'm providing the message in the email campaign, I speak to a problem and a solution. The problem is what your target market is suffering from, what they're experiencing, and the solution is what they will pay you for. You go to the doctor because you have a pain in your back, right? You pay the doctor to take your pain away. So bam, you need more leads. Right away, I speak to the problem, and then I provide the solution, which is how to load your marketing funnel in just 4 minutes. So problem, solution. And the solution I present with an email, with a video right here that's embedded in the email. Now, I specifically want you to see this right here, right now. And you know what? I'm going to show you, we're going to look inside the video right here and watch the entire video that I'm providing right here, because I'm going to show you the metrics. I'm going to show you the ROI benchmarks to prove, to document how phenomenally cost effective and successful this email marketing campaign was for generating revenue. So watch the entire video. Now I'm going to click on the video right here in the email just so you have an understanding of what it looks like. So I click on that and it opens up a YouTube window. The email is actually going to be on YouTube. So right here, we opened up the YouTube window. And this is me talking on the video. Aspirations, and I am at the end of a lecture day. I want to share a little bit about what I Now, I'm setting the idea that I am giving an executive lecture. This was a 6-hour lecture, and this is just, I think it was before the lecture. I can't actually remember if it was before or after. But I'm taking a break in between the lecture and providing the information that I'm providing. So what this is proof, the documentation of your knowledge and expertise to your audience. So it's kind of like the doctor having the plaque on the wall that proves they're the doctor, right? I'm explaining it. Now, in this example, I literally sketch it out and I walk people through what to do to build their funnel. Now, I've written it on the board here. Now, notice that, look, there's an issue. There's a technical issue with this. I'm filming this on my phone in the classroom. Is the lighting correct? No. Is the sound stellar? No. Is nothing about this is astronomical, fantastic, except the theory, the content, the manner in which I show it and record it is problematic from a technical standpoint, but the information I provide, the solution to the problem, is phenomenal. And that's the value here. So many of you are trying to do things so perfectly, and you know what? While you are trying to make it perfect, it doesn't get done. And I do it imperfectly, and I help people and I get my name out there and I make money while I am doing it. So I encourage you to take imperfect action. And just to prove it to you, I'm going to step over to YouTube and show you the results, the actual analytics. Not everybody's going to do this. So many people are going to talk about stuff, but they're not going to show you the return on investment benchmarks. I'm going to show that to you right now. Okay, so what I've done here is I've gone over to my YouTube analytics page, and this is the watch time report in YouTube. Okay, this is for this video right here that was embedded in the email newsletter, and the full title is How to Build a Complete Marketing Funnel, a Local Marketing Funnel That Works by Mark Mikelat. And this is the results from the last 28 days. So I'm going to scroll down here. Bam! Do you see this? Okay, look, see, it's just kind of sitting out there, no views. And then bam, on one day, I get a total watch time of 1 hour and 21 minutes. Okay, so I think this was like 39 views, and then we've even gotten some more views over here. Let me see if I can move this graph just a little bit over here. Okay, so 39 views and another few views over here. Right? So what this is a sales call. It's a sales pitch that's going out there. So what this is are hot leads. People are watching this video, and I can even tell who watched the entire video. And you know what happened from these 39 people? 5 people got back to me. 5 people contacted me, either via, I think one was text message, emails, and phone calls. Follow up with everybody immediately, address their concerns, and you know how many clients I landed? 4. This is how this works, folks. 39 views or something like that. So you can go into a Starbucks and there could be 39 people. It's not a lot of people, right? And you see that the video was like technically deficient, but it was awesome enough that it worked, helped people because of the value of it, made money for me. So it's like, hey, I'm being imperfect, I'm helping people, I'm causing a positive reaction, and I'm making money. Win, win, win all the way across the board. And I am literally showing you the information right here, right now. You can't even make up this stuff. And you know what? Look at the dates. I'm going to do the best I can to post this video immediately after the prior one so that you see the value of, I'm doing a video about the value of doing a video. And you know what? You can do the exact same thing. Now, you might not have the skills to do it, but you know what? You can hire me and my company to do it for you. I'm showing you I have the ability, knowledge, and know-how to do it. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you know what? Just click on one of the links in the box below this video and connect with me at buildingaspirations.com, and I will help you do this. Hey, thanks for being here. I know that your time is precious, but you chose to spend a little bit of time with me, and I appreciate that. If this is your first time on the YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button so that you're notified when we post new information. Hey, this is Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.